Hi, this is Andy Cowan. Today I'm going to show you how to get into the Garageband section that we need for the children's music lesson. So you're looking for the Garageband app. It's the guitar one on this red and yellow background. Open that up and you might just find yourself in a random instrument. So to get out of whatever you're in and get back to the main section, you're looking up in the top left. There's a square with two smaller squares either side, or one smaller square either side. And if you press that button, it takes you back to this instrument selection screen. We're looking for Smartstrings. Depends what version of the iPads you've got. Mine lets me choose Smartstrings from within the strings section. Other iPads, you're looking for Smartstrings, not just the strings. So then you hit the Smartstrings and it takes you into a screen like this. The only thing you really need to take care of is to make sure that the children have their autoplay up in the top right set to off. If it's any other number other than off, it can make a right mess of the lesson. And that's pretty much it. You might also find yourself in a screen, or the children might find themselves in a screen like this. If they do, that's totally okay. They can just press on any project that they've got there, and it should take them into an instrument. If it's not the correct instrument that we need for the lesson, again, they just hit that thing up in the top left, and then they find their instrument and go into it, and they're there. Hope that's helped. Thanks.